What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Check out every single video, check out the links below, join the Discord. All the other socials not really active, to be honest. Discord is where it's at. Let's get the Discord popping. Leave some comments, like always, thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And let's get straight into this one. So we've got more Pumas because it's just a Puma thing at the moment, to be honest. I have different phases, different, things I buy. If you can tell, I rinse out one thing, then I jump on the other, then I rinse that out and I jump on the other. Back to Puma for a bit. We've got the green and white standard Puma box that you've probably seen many times on the channel. Let's get straight into what pair this is. So that's the RSZ, or Z if you're American. So that's RSZ molded. The colorway is Puma Black Dark Shadow, and this, I believe that's the style code 38370403. UK 10.5, Euro 45, US 11.5, and centimeters 29.5. Made in Vietnam. Let's get straight into this pair. So this pair, not gonna lie, is low-key, high-key, fallen under the radar. I can't remember how I found them, but they are going quite cheap. Proper shoe, basically all black, can't go wrong with it, but we'll go through all the details quickly. So the bottom, we've got that Puma RS running system, so that's what RS stands for, the running system sole. It's not the most grippy, but they did make it like kind of grippy on the front. The middle not so much, and the back not so much. Midsole, we've got black, all black on the midsole, and then we've got like a silver on the back on the heel. Again, on this side of the midsole, all blacked out. Then we've got a type of leather, it's quite smooth leather on the heel that goes up as well on the heel. Then we've got kind of like a nylon material Puma swoosh in like a neoprene, more neoprene here. So it's a mix of different materials. Then we got that nylon type, actually no, neoprene here, neoprene type material here. Nylon, it's just a mix of everything, to be honest. More neoprene. I'm not the biggest fan of neoprene on trainers, just because it's not really waterproof or water resistant. I'm all about, all weather gear and stuff like that. Not really all weather gear, but you get what I mean. We've got the leather around the toe box, mesh toe box, which is seen a lot on Pumas. I'm yet to decide if I really like that. We've got, again, the silver, kind of like the 3M on the lace loops. Then we've got the rounded laces, the rope type laces. I love these laces, to be honest. Then on the tongue, we've got the RS running system little pull tab with the Puma logo or the Puma swoosh. And then we've got mesh on the tongue. The back, of course, they have this little pull tab thing. This one's a little black and white rope with a bit of plastic. Puma stamped in the back, and the insole. One of the best insoles, if I'm honest. It's quite comfortable, quite soft. That running system insole. That's just the bottom of it. And yeah, so very nice colorway, standard kind of all black, but with just a bit of 3M and a bit of reflective material on it. The quality, amazing. The price point as well was around 45 to 50 pounds, don't quote me, but around that price. I have seen other people selling them actually on like eBay and stuff for around 45-50 pounds as well, so if you're lucky you can grab a pair. At that price, I say why not. It's a 10/10 shoe. Puma is known for their quality, their comfort. Really haven't got any negative points about this shoe. If I really wanted to be like very controversial, if that's the word, or just if I wanted to complain a bit, just the neoprene or whatever, and then the mesh. But there is models with no neoprene and mesh as well, so it's good to have them a bit different, not always need them for the pouring rain. But yeah, can always waterproof those. and you know, they'll stay good for just in case it does start raining when you got these on. Amazing shoe, amazing price point. Don't really have any flaws, nothing bad to say about them. I really like them. I'll rate them, I'll be honest, 9 out of 10. I don't think I've ever rated anything 10 out of 10 before, but yeah, definitely 9 out of 10, or you know what, 9.5, 10 out of 10. Amazing shoe. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a look at all the other videos. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. Check that out. I'll also post it separate as I always do. And check out all the other releases. Click the bell icon so you're notified whenever something drops. And yeah, take care my people.